Hello and welcome back. Today we will make this stitch. We'll tell you right from the beginning, this is for a little bit of my advanced beginners towards intermediate. We will be using chain, double crochet 3 together, and double crochets, and that's it. So the double crochet 3 together might be a little bit more advanced for advanced beginners, but it's a good opportunity for you to learn. So this stitch, the diagram as always is pinned or posted at the end of the video. It doesn't have a right side or a wrong side, so this, I would consider this would be the right side where my base row is facing me, but this is how it looks like on the other side. Here you have your top row facing you. It's really versatile stitch. You can use it for so many projects, for so many ideas. It's really up to you and your creativity. Try it with your yarn with the crochet hook that it requires. Mine is some random yarn from Hobby Lobby and a 4mm hook. It's a very easy repeat and you will memorize it in no time. Okay, if you are ready to begin, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook. Let's get to work. The pattern calls for multiples of 6 plus 5 at the end. Here I have 29. The usual, we will put a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, and we will put 1 double crochet in each chain till the end of the row. This will be our base row. Continue till the end. The diagram shows the trebles. I will use double crochets, just like it a little better than that. So chain 3 counts as a double crochet plus chain 3, so total of 6. Skip this, skip 1, insert the hook into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, skip the next, insert the hook into the next, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, skip the next, insert the hook into the next, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 3 unfinished double crochets with stitches skipped in between. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, skip 1, go into the next, yarn over, get an unfinished double crochet, yarn over, skip the next, work into the next, yarn over, skip the next, work into the next. Okay, yarn over, pull through 4, chain 5, and this is how we will be working till the end of the row. Yarn over, skip the next unfinished double crochet into the next, yarn over, skip the next unfinished double crochet into the next, yarn over, skip the next unfinished double crochet into the next, and same thing, yarn over, pull through 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the next, work into the next, and again skip the next, work into the next, and again skip the next, work into the next, yarn over, pull through all 4, and to finish off the row, chain 3, skip 1, double crochet into the last. This is what we have. It gathered it together, but it will straighten out. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet plus chain 1, Now we will work 3 double crochets separated by chain 1 into the tip. So yarn over, go into the tip, put a double crochet, chain 1, the second double crochet, chain 1, and the third double crochet, chain 1, move into the next tip, double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, third double crochet. So basically we are inverting what we skipped here. Chain 1, move to the next tip, double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, and the third double crochet, chain 1. Into the next one, same thing. And you will be repeating as many times, as many these pyramids you have to use them up till the end of your row. Та що ти скажеш? This yarn is annoying. First double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet. And finish off the row, chain 1, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into the last. This is what we got. Here we will work into each chain and stitch. Actually, we'll turn this way. So chain 3 counts your double crochet, then double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the double crochet. Into the chain 1 space, into the double crochet, into the next chain 1 space, into the next double crochet, and into the next chain 1 space. Here I selectively work into the chain or around the chain. So if it's inside of this pyramid, I'll put it around, but if it's in between the pyramids, I will put it in. So this one went around, this will go into the double crochet, this one in between the pyramids will go into the chain. It's just a personal preference, there is no right or wrong, but this is how it's ending. It's here is how it looks like. Go ahead and finish the row. The number of these double crochets must match the number of these double crochets. Go ahead and count them and make sure that they're correct. This is your repeat basically. Now if you want to add another color, you would change the color here. When you turn, I would start with another row of double crochets of the new color and then make this section. But if you're working with the same yarn like I am, we're just gonna continue with this part. Chain 6, so I chained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip 1, insert into the next, unfinished double crochet, skip next into the next, skip next into the next, and we're repeating row number 2. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same, skip 1 into the next, skip one into the next, skip one into the next, and yarn over, pull through all 4. Finishing off with chain 3, skip 1, double crochet into the last stitch. Ta-da! Now we'll turn. We'll be repeating row number 3, chain 4, chain 3 counts as a double crochet plus chain 1, and working double crochet into the tip, chain 1, the second double crochet, chain 1, the third double crochet, chain 1, moving to the next tip, double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, third double crochet, chain 1, and like so till the end. And now once we turn, we're gonna repeat this row where we added the double crochets. 1, 2, 3 counts as a double crochet, and double crochet into each chain and stitch across. So into the chain 1, to the double crochet, around the chain 1, into the double crochet, around the next chain 1, into the next double crochet, and here between the sections I want to work into the chain, like so, all the way till the end, and voila. I added another section so it's a little easier to see the overall design, how it looks like. So with double crochets you can see the gapping is a little smaller. Try with trebles if you're a little more advanced, and I think the gapping will be larger and it will look a little bit different, but I think with double crochets it looks really nice as well. And because it does not have a right side and a wrong side, this can be actually really nice for lightweight scarves or shawls. I hope you like this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up. You take care. I will see you next time. Bye.